it's me Yani again, and for this video we will explore the Boolean algebra and its application on its circuits.
This is an example of double inversion circuit. As you can see, there is one input wire which is represented by the green wire. The two white wires represented the ground, while the red wire is connecting the VCC, and the yellow wire shorted the output of the first inverter and the input of the second inverter. The output of the second inverter is connected to the LED and its resistor, while the input of the first inverter is connected by this green wire, which represents our input. If the input is connected to the ground, the LED will turn off. If the input was connected to 5 volts, the LED will turn on. This circuit is almost similar to a switch, where if the state is on, the output will also be on.
This is an example of an AND or combination circuit. As you can see, there are two inputs which represented by the green wires. The white wires are the ground. The red wires are the VCC that is connected to the AND gate, the AND OR gate. Then the two inputs are connected to the inputs of the AND gate, while the second input of the AND gate is shorted to the second input of the OR gate, while the output of the AND gate is connected to the first input pin of the OR gate, while the output of the OR gate is connected to the LED. If both of the inputs are connected to the ground, the LED will turn off. If input B is connected to 5 volts, the LED will still turn off. However, if input A is connected to 5 volts, the LED will turn on. If both of them are connected to 5 volts, the LED still turn on. This behavior of this circuit represents the absorption law in Boolean algebra. This is a circuit of an OR gate combination. There are two inputs which are represented by the green wires. The white wires are used to connect the components to the ground. The red wires are used to connect the VCC, while the other colors are used in connection of other pins. As we can see, the blue wire shorted the first pin of an OR gate to the first pin of an AND gate, while the yellow wire is used to connect the output of the OR gate to the second pin, or this is second input pin of an AND gate, while the green wires are connected to the input pins of an OR gate, and the orange wire connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. While if input B is connected to the ground, while input A is connected to 5 volts, the LED is turned off. While both of them are connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. This is also represents the absorption law in Boolean algebra, where we can see that circuit that input B is absorbed when input A is absorbed by input B. This is an example of a circuit that shows the distributive property in Boolean algebra. These green wires used as an input wire. The white wires are used to connect to the ground, while the red wires are used to connect 5 volts. The yellow wire shorts the pin 1 and the pin 4 of the OR gate, while these blue wires are used to the first blue wire shorts the first pin of the AND gate and the second pin of the OR gate, while the other one shorts the fifth pin of the OR gate, or the IC used for as an OR gate, and shorts the second pin on the AND gate, while the orange wire connects to the output pin of the AND gate and to the LED. If all of them are connected to the ground, the LED turn off. When input C is connected to 5 volts, the LED turn on. While if input B is the only one that is being connected to 5 volts, the LED was turned off. If C and B connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. If input A is the only one connected to 5 volts, the LED was still turned off. While if A and C is connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. While if it is input A and input B, the LED turned on. And if all of them are connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. This is another demonstration of distributive property in Boolean algebra. These green wires represents the input wire. The white ones are the wires that is being connected to the ground. The red wires are used to connect to 5 volts, while the yellow wire used as the yellow wire shorts the pin 1 and the output pin of the AND gate, and the orange wire is connected to the output pin of the OR gate to the LED. If all of them are connected, to the ground, the LED turned off. If input C is connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. While if input B is connected to 5 volts, the LED turned off. If B and C is connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. If input A is the only one connected to 5 volts, the LED turned off. While if input A and C is connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. While if input A and B is connected to 5 volts, the LED turned on. And if all of them are connected to 5 volts, the LED is still turned on. That is our experiment for today, and in today's experiment, we learned that the absorption law can be demonstrated in an AND or combination or AND combination. While in distributive law, we can see that there are two demonstrations that we can use in able to show how it works. I hope you like this video and see you until next time.